What? You mean cheap cheap?
Not cheap cheap. That's just scamalach. Really cloudy. And you know what happens when it gets scamalach?
Das styrmig tacht, das styrmig tacht.
Das dynamite. There's a storm coming. Storms in Fairy Island can be big and scary. And if it's really bad, we're not allowed to fly. And we can't go anywhere if we can't fly. We have to stay at home, and our beds will get blown about by the wind.
Storms can be scary, but the more we prepare, the less storms scare.
But how can we prepare for a storm?
I'll show you.
Have you seen how scamalach it is, Pip? There's a storm coming.
Tá sé scamalach.
Cheap Cheap told us that's dynamite.
Can we get some food for Blahin and Kuan in case they're stuck at home during the storm?
Fan no mate. Shakleave a fasti.
Our house. But what about our beds being blown around in the stirrum?
I've an idea how to fix that too. Hi, Bamba. We need some rope and some tent pegs, please.
We have to stop the fairy beds from swaying in the stirrum.
It's still scamalach. We better hurry. It looks like the storm will be here soon.
Grandma, hi, Bamba.
Let's get back to the fairy tree.
The more we prepare, the less storms scare.
Here I Glenn.
If we tie the rope to the bottom of your bed and then to a tent peg in the ground, it should stop them from swaying in the wind.
Swain of Eintach. On the wheel ship, Ray!
Ready?
Great plan, Fia. Now my bed won't sway about in the stirrum. And I've one more idea. Whoa.
A rope bridge. Great idea.
Even if it's too dangerous to fly, we can still visit each other during the stirrum.
Guys, where's the storm?
Huh? Níl sé scamalach. Tá sé Greenver.
Yeah, it's sunny again.
Anna Greenver. But I don't understand. Isn't there supposed to be a stirrum?
Huh?
Díomh, is é seo machara.
It's Misha stirrum.
So this is the storm that's coming.
What are we going to do with all this food?
Oh, why don't we use our storm supplies to have a party?
Yeah!
A stirrum party.
Yeah.